Hello guys, welcome to Tech 360. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to fix Snapchat notifications not working. So if your Snapchat notifications is not working, then you can just do some things. At first, just long press on your Snapchat app. Click on this eye icon, and here you can see notifications. Click on it and make sure that all the notifications are turned on. Now after that, just launch your Snapchat app. Now just click the top left your profile icon. Now after that, click the top right settings icon, and after that here you will see an option notifications. Click on it. Now here you can see there are some options here. You need to make sure that the notification you want is turned on. Now after that, if your problem isn't solved yet, just go to Play Store, search for Snapchat, and here you can see if you have any update on Snapchat, just update it, and after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can fix your Snapchat notification working problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech 360. Thank you very much for watching the video.